Hey guys, I got some contacts in from Topsface, so I'm going to show you them here. They come in this cool little container with the liquid inside rather than like the individual packets that like one-a-days come in. Here's them side by side, the two different colors that I have. Here's the difference of them in the contact case so you can see them a little clearly. Here's the Euro American Green Gray with one contact in my end, one natural. Here's them both in. They are super comfortable and I feel like they're a little more natural since they're a darker color. Here's the Euro American Brown Green. They're super cool in the case and I also love them on. Here's the difference between my natural and the color. Natural looking, they actually look like they could be my real eye color. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you liked this video. Also, let me know which color contacts you like the best.